Joy Home Remedies brings you how to cleanse your liver in a few days with only 2 ingredients. Your liver is what you might call the laboratory of the body. Many chemical processes take place there that ensure your survival each and every day. Your liver breaks down the toxins that you encounter, consume, and produce. Unfortunately, in today's society, we are inundated with dangerous pollutants in the air, toxic chemical substances in water, and even in our food. We often make the problem worse with our prescription and over-the-counter medications, an improper diet, and lack of sleep. When your liver is overburdened, it doesn't do that as effectively as it could, which leaves you feeling bloated and tired. Cleansing and detoxifying our overworked and overburdened liver is vital for the recovery of our organs, and allows us to live a life free from chronic disease. So, what are the signs your liver needs a detox? Abdominal bloating, pain or discomfort of the liver, excessive abdominal fat, potbelly, or a roll around the upper abdomen, trouble digesting fatty foods, acid reflux or heartburn. You had your gallbladder removed. Dark spots on the skin, commonly referred to as liver spots. Overheating of the body and excessive perspiration. Acne, rosacea, or itchy, blotchy skin. Unexplained weight gain and inability to lose weight even with calorie restriction. Other signs to watch for include high blood pressure, high cholesterol and triglycerides, fatigue, mood swings and depression, sleep apnea or snoring, and fatty yellowish lumps around your eyes. If you have these signs, you need to take action. It's time to detox and alter your diet and lifestyle to heal your liver. Let's look at the benefits of raisin water. There are a ton of simple and natural remedies to detox and strengthen your liver, but today I want to talk about raisin water in particular. Raisin water is an excellent addition to your diet, especially for promoting good liver health. It stimulates particular biochemical processes in the liver that help it detox your bloodstream more effectively. The benefits of raisin water mostly come from the grapes themselves. Raisins are a natural source of vitamins and minerals, but those benefits are increased tremendously if you consume the water that they are soaked in. This is because the sugar content is reduced, and you're still obtaining an excellent medicinal remedy for the liver. It's important to find raisins that have not been treated with sulfur dioxide. Look at your local health food store or your local farmer's market. The package should say no sulfur dioxide added. It would be ideal if you can find or make raisins that still have that small stem attached to the top, as these have been noted as being extra powerful. If for some reason you cannot find natural raisins, you can make some yourself by using high-quality, organic grapes and drying them in your food dehydrator. How to prepare the raisins for your liver cleanse. Make sure to choose your raisins carefully. Look for raisins that are a darker color, and not too hard or soft. Check that the raisins are whole and clean. Wash about 150 grams of raisins, and then put them aside. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the raisins and then let them bubble for 20 minutes. Then leave them to soak overnight. In the morning, eat the raisins and drink the water they were soaking in. You can drink the raisin water warm or hot, but make sure to drink it on an empty stomach, right after you wake up. Then wait 30 to 35 minutes before eating breakfast. If you follow this treatment for 4 days straight, you'll notice your digestion will improve and you will have much more energy. For the best results, consume your raisin water for 1 week straight. Furthermore, you should avoid the consumption of fatty foods or alcohol during the treatment. Give it a try. Cleanse your liver with raisin water in a few days, and see how you feel. Thanks for watching. If you think what you've learned in this video is useful, please slam that like button, and share it with your friends. For more videos like this, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the little bell.